In 1944, America took control of the global economy. Today, that control is crumbling. A coalition of nations controlling half the world's oil, 40% of its gold, and 35% of its GDP is launching a direct attack on the dollar. This is not a drill. By 2025, your savings, investments, and even gas prices could be turned upside down. Let's expose the truth. The dollar's 80-year reign rested on three pillars: Bretton Woods in 1944, where the dollar was backed by gold, making it the world's reserve currency. The petrodollar system in 1974, when Saudi Arabia agreed to price oil only in dollars, recycling profits into U.S. treasuries, and global trust, where by 2001, 73% of central bank reserves were dollars. But today, the landscape has shifted. The debt crisis, U.S. national debt, hit $35 trillion in 2024, with foreign investors now holding just 27% of treasuries, down from 43% in 2015. Sanctions overreach. Over 30 countries face U.S. dollar sanctions, pushing them to seek alternatives. Reserve decline. The dollar's share of global reserves fell to 58% in 2023, the lowest since 1995. The IMF predicts 50% by 2025. In 2023, BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, expanded to BRICS Plus, adding Saudi Arabia, Iran, Egypt, UAE, and Ethiopia. Together they control 45% of global oil production compared to 20% for the US. They hold 40% of the world's gold reserves, over 20,000 tons, and 35% of global GDP in PPP terms, surpassing the G7. Their weapon? A gold-pegged digital currency launched in 2024. Here's how it works. Backing. Each unit is redeemable for a basket of gold and commodities like oil, wheat, and rare earths. Transactions. Settled via blockchain to avoid SWIFT and US oversight. Early adoption. In 2024, Russia sold $5 billion in oil to India using BRICS Plus coins. China bought 12% of Saudi oil in yuan, bypassing dollars. The dominoes are already falling. Commodity chaos. Oil prices swung from $70 to $115 per barrel in 2024, as Saudi Arabia shifted to yuan. Dollar debt crisis. Countries like Egypt, which owed $45 billion in dollar loans, and Pakistan defaulted, seeking BRICS Plus bailouts. Inflation surge. U.S. inflation hit 4.8% in 2024. Eggs hit $6 a dozen. Gas topped $4.50 a gallon. Gold rush. Central banks bought 1,247 tons of gold in 2024, the highest since 1967. Nouriel Roubini says the dollar's exorbitant privilege is fading. We're witnessing a tectonic shift in global finance. The United States isn't surrendering. Here's the counterattack. First, rate hikes. The Fed raised rates to 5.5% in 2024, making dollar debt costlier for emerging markets. Second, tech investment. Biden's $500 billion CHIPS Act aims to dominate AI and semiconductors. Third, debt denial. The U.S. Treasury issued $2 trillion in new bonds in 2024, but demand is weakening. But risks remain. There is a dollar glut, with $88 trillion in dollar-denominated debts globally. If confidence collapses, repayment becomes impossible. Additionally, political gridlock. The 2024 U.S. debt ceiling crisis nearly triggered a default, spooking investors. By 2025, expect the following: BRICS Plus currency will be used for 15% of intra-BRICS Plus trade, compared to 3% in 2023. The digital yuan expansion will see China's CBDC accepted in 53 countries, including Brazil and Saudi Arabia. The crypto boom will witness Bitcoin's market cap doubling to $1.5 trillion as digital gold. Wildcards include hyperinflation. If the dollar plunges, could the U.S. see 1970s-style stagflation? And war, a conflict over Taiwan or Ukraine, could accelerate de-dollarization? The dollar's monopoly is over. We're entering a fractured financial world where gold, crypto, and regional currencies compete. What should you do? First, diversify. Consider assets like gold, Bitcoin, or foreign stocks. Second, prepare. Expect pricier gas, travel, and imports. Third, demand reform. Pressure lawmakers to curb debt and innovate. This isn't doom, it's a wake-up call. If you found this video insightful, please like, share and subscribe, hit the bell, and comment. Will BRICS Plus succeed or self-destruct? Protect your wealth. Protect your family. Stay prepared. This is Paul for the Economic Fallout.